Be clear with you guys, there is no such thing as Coinbase PC. You can only use Coinbase on your PC by going on the browser. But if you want to download it on your PC, there's a loophole which you guys can use. And I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can do that exactly. And this video is not to promote Coinbase. This video is just for educational purpose for those people who are curious on how they can use Coinbase on their PC by downloading. Alright, because they don't want to use the browser version, because let's be honest, browser version is a bit less secure than the app version. Alright, and remember, any loss or any hack of your account, we are not liable for it. It's Coinbase. We are not here to promote Coinbase. We do not work under Coinbase or anything, so just keep that in mind. Any loss you face in crypto, it's your own responsibility. Now with that out of the way, first step, you can either install the extension version of Coinbase wallet on your PC's browser. Like, go to Coinbase, search for Coinbase wallet over here on your browser. Click on Coinbase wallet. It's going to take you to the official website of Coinbase. You can click on download wallet and Coinbase wallet is going to be added to your extension. Now this is Coinbase wallet. This is not Coinbase. In this wallet, you can only store crypto. You can't buy crypto, right? So just keep that in mind. So for using Coinbase, what you got to do is you got to download, which is an Android emulator. So Android emulator is a software which allows you to use mobile on your desktop. So what we're going to be doing is, there is an app called Coinbase app for mobile. So we're going to download an emulator which is going to act as a mobile, and from that emulator we're going to download Coinbase app version or like mobile version. So you might get confused like, what the hell am I saying? So just watch the video to know it. First step, you go to your browser, search for BlueStack download. Click on download BlueStack over here. And you want to click on download BlueStack 5 over here. Again, your BlueStack will download, install it. After you install it, it's going to open up just like this. So just click on Play Store after it opens up. And on Play Store, you got to log in into your, Google Play account as well. After you log in into your Google Play account where it says search, you want to write Coinbase. After you search for Coinbase, you can see Coinbase buy Bitcoin and Ether. Click on it, click on install, and your Coinbase will start to install. The installation process is complete. You can open it, you can log in into your Coinbase account or create a Coinbase account and do whatever thing you can. Now basically, you are able to use Coinbase on your PC. The only extra step you gotta do is open the emulator, and from that emulator you gotta access Coinbase. But you guys can actually access Coinbase on your PC like this, alright?